In a small town nestled between mountains and rivers, there stood a mysterious wall known as the Whispering Wall. Legend had it that anyone who whispered their deepest dreams and desires to the wall would be granted the strength and determination to achieve them. However, there was a catch. The wall would only reveal its secrets to those who truly believed in themselves. One day, a young girl named Alara visited the Whispering Wall. She had a dream: to become a renowned artist and paint murals that would inspire people around the world. However, doubts and fears clouded her mind, making her question her abilities. As Alara approached the wall, she hesitated. The enormity of her dream and the uncertainty of her path weighed heavily on her. Just then, a gentle breeze whispered through the air, carrying with it the soft voices of those who had come before her, sharing their hopes and dreams with the wall. Encouraged by the whispers, Alara took a deep breath and whispered her dream to the wall. As she spoke, a warm glow enveloped her, filling her with a sense of purpose and determination. The doubts that once clouded her mind began to fade, replaced by a newfound belief in herself and her abilities. Inspired and empowered, Alara returned to her town and began painting murals that depicted stories of hope, resilience, and self-belief. Her artwork captured the hearts of many, and soon, people from all walks of life came to see her murals, finding inspiration and courage in her vibrant creations. Years passed, and Alara's fame spread far and wide. Yet, amidst the accolades and admiration, she never forgot the Whispering Wall and the pivotal moment that changed her life. She realized that the true magic lay not in the wall itself, but in the belief and determination that resided within her. The story of Alara and the Whispering Wall became a legend in the town, reminding everyone of the power of self-belief, the importance of pursuing one's dreams, and the magic that awaits those who dare to whisper their hopes to the universe.